Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download Blender in your PC. Blender is an open source program, so you can download it for free. First of all, you have to type this in your PC. When you search, you will see this site. Please confirm you are on the right site. When you enter the site, you will see this page. If you are on Windows, you can directly download from here. But if you are using MacBook or Linux program, you can click here and install accordingly. Right now I am on a Windows program, so I can click here and download. When you download and install the program, after setting it up, you will see a screen like this. Now we can start learning Blender. Keep watching.